Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own banking system. Okay, so this is an online banking software that all I had to do was just install it on my cPanel and boom, it's ready to go. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how the banking system works. I'm going to be showing you the different features for the admin and for the user, and I'm also going to be showing you how to install it on your very own cPanel. Okay, so let's get to it. So for starters, this is just the front page. Okay, so this is the page that talks about the company and what the bank does. Okay, so this is just like a front page, and you can see it's beautifully designed. And it's well detailed. Okay, so you have all the necessary informations here already. So we're going to go straight into the admin. Dashboard. Okay, I'm going to show you how the admin gets to control all the users, how it gets to see and control all the users in the online portal. Okay, so when you first log in as an admin, this is what it shows you. Okay, it shows you this dashboard. So all you have to do is click on admin dashboard. Okay, and it's going to redirect you straight to the dashboard of the admin. I'm going to show you how to log in, also how to change your password and all that. Good, so this is the admin dashboard. Now you can see all users. This is all users. Yeah, you can see the admin account itself. You can see different users that have signed up. You can see information about them. Now you see, this banking software actually gives you the ability, or the user the ability, to have different currency accounts balance. Okay, so for this one now, you can see this one has USD, this one has euro, this one has pounds, this one has okay, so it has like several currencies. Okay, this is the account number, the gender, detail, and of course everything is editable. Now it's also, you can also have pictures, country, state, address, everything, the full work. Okay, so let's check out other features. Let's check out other features. Now approve accounts. This is where the admin gets to either allow a user sign in, or tells the user you cannot sign in, contact your account manager. Yeah, so you can decide to approve, or you can decide to disapprove. Okay, so let's suspend the account. See, account has been suspended. So when this user tries to log in, it's not going to be able to log into his account. Yeah, and you can also delete a user's account. If you no longer need your account on your dashboard, you can delete it, instead of having access and so many users that you are no longer using. Yeah, so let's go to the next one. You can also disable transfer. Yeah, you see this part. You can also disable transfer. Now this, you see this user's transfer status is disabled. You can activate it. When you activate it, the user can make transfers. When you disactivate it, the user cannot make transfers. So I'm going to activate this. The reason why I'm leaving this one is because I want to show you how this particular user won't be able to sign in, because we suspended his account. Okay, but I'm going to leave this. So we sign in with this and try to make transfer. Yeah, so let's go to transaction history. Now transaction history shows you the transaction history of all your users. Okay, all the transactions that have been made, the credit transactions and the debit transactions. Okay, the sender's account, where the money was sent out from, beneficiary name, whose account the money actually went to. You get? So it shows you basically all the information that you need: beneficiary account number, beneficiary bank, and all that. Yes. Okay, so let's go to create history. Now this particular portal actually allows you to create history. You know, normally you would have to like debit the user's account, form user account, to just try and populate the user's transaction history. Okay, so it doesn't look like something that was just created yesterday. Now this online portal actually allows you to just create histories instead of having to go through the process of debits and credits and debits and credits several times. This will allow you to actually just create history. Easy very easy. Okay, so we just have to pick the particular user's account you want to create history for. Let's use this one. Let's say, yes, instead of currency, let's say pounds. We want it to come out as debit. Yeah, so we're going to go, you want the dates you actually made the transfer to show, so let's say 2012 here. And okay, you can even pick out the time. Okay, you can pick out the time also. Transaction history created successfully. So we're going to go to the transaction history. We're going to go to transaction history and see how the history we just created shows. Okay, so now you see this spreadsheet actually just shows you 1 to 10. Okay, so once it's up to 10, it moves to the next page. So we're going to go to page 2. Now you can see the transaction we just created. You can see the one we credited. Yes, you can see the one we just credited. Yeah, perfect. So we're going to go to the next feature, Bitcoin deposit history. Yes, so for everyone that has ever deposited Bitcoin, it will pop up here, but because this particular database does not have any deposited Bitcoin history, it's going to be blank. Okay, so let's go to KYC. Now KYC will show you all the verification documents that have been submitted by the users. Okay, so any user that tries to verify their account, their KYC, is going to pop up here, and you're going to see all the details. You're going to have access to all the details from this particular point. Okay, so let's go to linked card now. Now linked cards allows the user, I'm also going to show you how the user gets to link his card. Yeah, so link card allows you to link your debit card or your credit card, whatever card the user actually has, to their bank account. Okay, so when they do that, you get access to all their details. You get access to their card number, their card name, their CVV, the month and year of expiration, and all that. Yes, you see, so this banking portal is very robust and very detailed. Yeah. Now website settings. Now this is a very important part that you need to take note of. Now website setting, this part is where you as the admin, when you set it up for one of your clients, or when you set it up for someone, or you set it up for yourself, this is the part where you get to input your bank name. Okay, this part where you get to input your bank name, your bank URL, your email, and your phone number. So this is what will show on all the dashboards. This is what's going to show on all the dashboards on the users. So this is what's going to show on the user's dashboard. Okay, so this is the email they are going to see, this is the phone number they are going to see, this is the URL. This part is very important. You have to ensure that you put the particular URL of your website. Yeah, so you can also change your BTC address here. So when they are trying to pay deposits via BTC, it is this address that shows up, so ensure your BTC address is correct. Then also live chat. If you want to input live chat, you can see that I have live chat here. This live chat is Tidio live chat. Okay, you can also input your live chat. All you have to do is create your Tidio account. Go to tidio.com, create your Tidio account, and then you just follow the prompts, create a new account. Yeah, and then you follow the prompts. Then once you are given the code for your live chat, you copy just this part to this part, and you come back here and you paste it, and automatically once you update your website, it shows up on the dashboard of the user, dashboard of the admin, and everywhere on the site. Yeah, so we're going to go. So basically that is how the admin dashboard works. Okay, so now we're going to log into a user dashboard so we can see how that part also works. Yeah, so let's just click on login. Okay, now let's go search for a user's account that we're going to log into and see how it works. Okay, now remember there was a particular user. Now if you have your own cPanel, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your cPanel. So once you have your own cPanel and you have created your database, you have created your and uploaded your PHP or MySQL file, you get access to this also. So any account that is being created, it pops up here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go about that also. Now remember there was a particular user that we suspended his account. So let's try and log into his account and see the error message we get. You see, I'm going to copy this. This is the account number, yeah. Now let's go get his password. Let's see. Now this is the password. Sign in. Successful. Sorry, your account has been suspended. For more info and inquiries, contact support team. Easy. So you see, because you suspended that particular account, you can't log in. Now let's try to log into an account that is not suspended. Let's log into an active account. Yes, Ade Festus. Let's do this. Okay. Sign in. Success, access granted. Perfect. Now this is a user's dashboard. Now you see, when I sign in as an admin, I showed you the admin actually has this dashboard, and then he has an admin dashboard also. But as a user, signing in as a user, you don't get to see admin dashboard, okay? You get to see just the user dashboard. Now let's see how the user dashboard works. You see, there's wire transfer. The user can actually make use of wire transfer, fill in details, and send money. Let's see transaction history. Now we're going to see the history that we created as an admin. Yeah, and remember we did a debit transfer and we did a credit transfer for food. Yes, this is the history that has been created so far. So from this user, you can see that you have done just 2 transactions. Yeah. So let's see how BTC deposits works. So you see this Bitcoin payments process. See this Bitcoin deposit part. Now this is where the user gets to deposit BTC into the wallet that you have previously added as an admin. Okay. Now you see this is the wallet address that we had in the admin dashboard. That's why I said you have to ensure your wallet address is correct. Okay. So the user just has to put in the amount of BTC that they are transferring. So let's say I want to transfer $80 worth of BTC. Sorry, 80 BTC. It's going to come forth and it's going to show me the amount in USD. Yeah. So once I, as a user, have made the transfer that I want to make, I'm going to paste my transaction ID here and click on deposit. So it's going to pop up straight in the admin section that so and so person has made a BTC deposit. Yeah. Also, if you put in the reason why this is showing like this is because it's not a real BTC wallet address. Now if you put in a real BTC wallet address, it's automatically going to generate a barcode. So instead of filling in all this in, the user can just scan. Makes it even easier. Yeah. So we're going to see, let's see KYC status. Now to comply with regulation, each participant will have to go through identity verification, KYC, to prevent fraud causes. Yeah. Click here to complete your KYC. This tells you have not submitted your necessary documents. Okay, so we're going to begin our KYC verification. Okay, so personal info. The person just has to add in their personal info, last name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, date of birth, gender, okay, male or female. Your address information required for identification. So the person fills in their personal info, upload whichever one they want to upload. Is it a national ID, is it passport, is it driver's license, whatever they want to put. To avoid delay when verifying, please make sure below choosing credential must not be expired. Yeah, so this just tells them what they should look out for. Yeah, so once they are ready, they can upload here, back and forth, and submit, and automatically it shows up on the admin dashboard. Yes, so let's go to link external cards. I see this. Okay, so this link external card part. Yeah, you see this part allows the user to link their card details, their debit or their credit card, to their account. Yeah, so they can link the name on the card number, the month, the year, the CVV, whatever. They do that and click on link card, and automatically their details will be sent to the admin. Yeah, I showed you where you can see the list of all cards that have been linked to this particular database. Yeah, Yes, 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 yes. So you see, this is a very although it is well detailed, it is very robust, it is also very simple and very straightforward. Okay, so next I'm going to be showing you how to set up this online banking portal in your very own cPanel. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to set up the online banking portal. Okay, so by now you should have your domain name and hosting already settled. Okay, so once you have your domain name and hosting, so I'm going to be using Namecheap. So I'm going to be using Namecheap for the sake of this tutorial. So if you have your domain name and hosting, if you're using your primary domain name, that's the domain name you just bought for this part, for the particular hosting you are using, you don't need to create a subdomain or whatever. Okay, you just need to go straight to your file manager and you can upload the file straight up. But or if you're using an add-on domain, if you purchased a domain name and you just want to add it to an already existing cPanel, you just go straight to add-on domain and then you fill in all the details there. You fill in all the details. You fill in the new domain name you're adding. Once you fill this here, it's automatically fills up. But I'm going to be using a subdomain for the sake of this training. Okay, I'm going to be using a subdomain for the sake of this training. So let's go to subdomain. Here you go. Subdomain. Okay, so call this AMPE. Okay, for the sake of this training. Yes. Okay, I'm going to click on create. Okay, so as it has been created, we're going to go straight to our file manager, and as I said, so we can upload our files and start our configuration. So look for file manager, you click on file manager. Here you go. Now this is the domain, this is subdomain we just created. Perfect. Okay, so the file will be made available for you also. The file made available for you. Now this is the file right here. So I'm just going to upload it. It always has to be a zip file. Ensure it's a zip file you are uploading. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Now while it uploads, ensure this thing gets to 100 and then it shows green before you click on this button. If it does not show green, even if it's 100, if it does not show green, please do not click on this button. You'll have cancelled your upload. Okay, so wait for it to show green first. Okay guys, so now it's showing green. It's showing green, so we're going to click on this. Perfect. I know you uploaded a zip file, so you just have to click on this and click on extract. Good, now it has extracted into this folder, but we don't want it inside the folder. We want it straight on the subdomain that we created, or in your case in the domain name that you bought. Okay, so we're going to select all, we're going to click on move, and we're going to remove it from this folder and then click on move files. Perfect. Now click up one level. Perfect. So now every file has been moved into the main subdomain we just created. Now that we've moved our files, we're going to go straight into configuration. Okay, we're going to go straight into configuration. Now how do we configure our web portal so our database and our details show up? How can we fix it up so we can also receive emails and also log into our various accounts? Now this is how you do it. You're going to create a MySQL database. Okay, so you click on MySQL database wizard. Now you create a database. I'm going to call my ANPE. Then I'm going to create my user. So I'm going to call this ANPE user, and I'm going to fill in a password. Now make sure you save this password. Make sure you copy and you save this password. I'm going to do this on my notepad so I do not lose it. So password is okay, so copied and pasted. Now I can go ahead and create user. Now I'm going to save this also to my notepad. Perfect. Now all I have to do is click on all privileges and then click on make changes. Perfect. So now I have added my user to the database name I just created. So now let's go back to our file manager and let's do the configuration from here. So if you look through, you are going to see a folder called database. Now you go into database, you look for connect.php, you right click and you click on edit. Perfect. So now this shows you how to make your connections. Okay, this shows you how to configure your website. Okay, so we're going to configure the database and the username from here. So remember what we saved. So I'm going to do the username first. So username, this is root is the username, so you just paste this here. Make sure there's no space, make sure you don't remove any of these commas or anything, just go straight to that particular spot, change it, and that is all. Okay, so let's change the database name also. We're going to copy, I'm going to come here and we're going to paste. Perfect. Now the password goes in here, copy, and we're going to paste also. Good, and we are done. Okay, so now that we have successfully configured our database, we're going to check out the site now. Before we do that, let's upload MySQL file. Okay, let's upload MySQL file. If you don't upload MySQL file, you cannot log into your account. You can log into any account, either as admin or as a user. Okay, so we're going to search for php.myadmin. Okay, so you go to php.myadmin. Now you're going to be given access to the MySQL file that you're going to upload. It's going to be in the part of the script that is being sent to you, part of the script file that's been sent to you. So I'm going to go to this. This is my this is the database we just created. So okay, so I'm going to click on that. Once I've clicked on that, you see it pops up here. Once it does, you are going to import. Now you click on browse, so you can browse through. So once you download your zipped file, there's this file that's going to be sent to you. Once you download the file, you extract it into your system so you can get access to this particular file. You're going to upload this, and you're going to scroll down and click on go. I'm going to wait for it to load. Perfect. Now click on this so you can see. Now you see you have Bitcoin transactions, you have card. Don't touch anything. The only thing you need to go to is users. Okay, so under users, you are going to see your admin. You're going to see your admin. You're going to see your any user that has signed up, any accounts that you have created, any user that has signed up. You are going to see them under user. So this is the admin. This is the admin account number, and password is also right here. Now for this one, you do not need to encrypt your password. No, there's no need for that. So you can just come here and fill in the your own personal your own personal email. Yeah, so let's say my email is okay. Once I click out, saved. Yeah, so I can change this password to whatever I want to change it to, so it will be easy for me to log in. Okay, so let's log in now. Okay, so we're going to log in as an admin. Let's log in as an admin. We're going to pick up the account number and paste. We're going to pick up the password. The password we selected was 13456, so I'm going to do just that too. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. So you have your very own admin dashboard. Remember, to get to the admin dashboard, you click on admin dashboard and you can see all the details of your other users. Yeah, so easy. That is how you set up your online banking portal. Okay, so this script is going to be made available for you. Further instructions will be given on how you can get the script. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.